You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on collecting personal data using the contact form element. On your screen right now, you can see what kinds of data could be collected using the element. Feel free to pause the video and look through these points yourself. Let me demonstrate how working with a contact form looks like. Inside the Content Elements menu on the right side of your screen, navigate to Contact Info and then select the contact form. Drag and drop it where you'd like it, and you're ready to customize it according to your needs. Please keep in mind to always use a forward button as well, so that your users can move on the next page after filling in their details. In case it is not there for some reason, on your right, navigate down, go to Button, and add it in. By clicking on your contact form, you have plenty of other customization options to go through. Clicking on this field, you can choose which data point you would like to collect. For example, city. Then you could also toggle which fields are required and which are not. You could see this update live with a star icon showing right next to the fields which are required. By default, you're also given two fields with your contact form. The newsletter field, which you can configure using our integrations. For now, we're not going to use it. And the agreement to process personal data. We recommend this field to always be included and to always be required to check. We offer you templates, for example, for Google Analytics. However, it is important to go through these and tailor them exactly to your needs and to what your customer is providing to you. After you've set your disclaimers and set which data you would like to collect, you're ready to go. As a side note, if you're not collecting data from English users, you could go to the configure page and here, simply change the default language of your project. For us, we're going to stick with English. In case the selection of the fields we have is not enough for you and you have a more specific need, you could always add custom fields. To learn how to do this, go to help.involve.me. So users would fill in the form, and if they wouldn't fill some required fields, it would not let them proceed until they do. You could analyze the data by going to the Responses tab on the top side of your screen, and then Personal Data. Here you can see the first name, last name, and the city, which are the data that we collected, and you can sort by either one of those categories. And finally, by clicking on Export Data, you can download an XLS or a CVS file. For even more support, the data could be transferred and used in a lot of our native integrations or your Zapier integrations. To give you an idea, this is how our exported Excel file would look like, with a basic report, detailed report, and in case you have this set up as well, payment report and information. For even more support, the data can be used in our native integrations or your Zapier integrations. There are separate tutorials and help articles on each of the connections that you can utilize with your contact form. And just like that, you're ready to collect personal data using the contact form element. For more detailed support, you can go to help.involve.me. And good luck getting involved!